Hi, welcome back to Not Only Carrots Cooking Show, Kids Edition. I'm Eden, and today we'll be making mini apple pies, perfect for your kids' lunchboxes. Let's get started. First, we'll be making the apple filling. We'll need 400 grams of tinned apple and 3 tablespoons of rapadura, which is evaporated cane juice. So, put them in there, watching. So mix it so there's lots of rapadura on each part. Okie dokie. Or just spill some so your kids can eat it. You're welcome to add chopped dates or sultanas if you want. Okay, so we'll put this aside. Now it's time to make our vegan pastry. Add 1 cup of oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, just get rolled oats and blend them up in your blender. Okay, a cup of stone ground whole wheat flour. And then we'll need half a teaspoon of salt. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Okay, now let's put that aside over near the other bowls. Next we will make the wet ingredients. We'll need half a cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of rice bran oil, and 1 tablespoon of lecithin. Lecithin. I hate this word. 1 tablespoon of lecithin. It's so hard to say. It makes your kids sound like you've got a list. Now we need to get a whisk and mixy, 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 mixy. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. It's ready when it seems a bit thicker. The lecithin makes it thicker. Okay, this is good. So just put your whisk on a plate so it doesn't dirty the bench. Now we'll pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Get a spatula to get it all out if you need. Now, let's go. Make sure there's no flour left. Once it's annoying to knead, just use your fingers. Don't eat any of it until it's dinner time though. I find it's easier to just split it into 2 pieces and knead them one by one. Don't over knead it or it becomes too tough and it's like chewing on a big tough carrot. Not that crunchy though. You might need a hand from an adult because we're going to roll out the pastry with a rolling pin now. Just wiggling my finger at Mum because I wanted to do it by myself. Okay. Rolly, 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 rolly. My pie maker makes 2 pies at a time. And now I'll turn it on. We need 2 different sizes because we need 1 large one to put in the bottom so it can bend around and make the shape. And the small one's for the little lid. This recipe makes 7 mini apple pies or 1 large pie. Now let's get cutting. 1, 2. Try not to make your pie crust too thick. It may not cook enough. Take the bread and butter knife and cut a 2 centimetre long line like this. Ours is a non-stick so you don't need to add oil, and just fold it like this. You could do it in it, but I'm a bit scared because I don't want to get burnt. We need 1/4 of a cup of apple in each pie. Mummy measured it. Wow. Big pies. Now we'll put the little lids on. Now we'll put it in there for 12 minutes. See you soon. Okay, they're ready. So I'll just turn off the switch. Okay, now let's take out these pies. Mmm. They might be a bit flat, but it's homemade, but yummy still. Whoa, that's a fat pie. Yay, yay. The apple pies are nice, hot or cold. I love to eat the pies with Mum's soy whipped cream version 2 and Mummy's yummy vanilla custard. Here we go. Let's just put a load. Let's just put a load on. It's just splattered like this cream sprayer thing. It's like blah. So there you have it, mini apple pies. Make sure you check out the other Kids Edition videos, and I hope you enjoy eating the delicious apple pies, and I will tonight too. See you next time. Bye! Ding, 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 ding. Perfect! Let's go and eat them.